Hello YouTube, here is my new charger for my electric bike. For some months ago I bought my first electric bike, and the charger who come with the bike was a charger who can charge in 2 ampere. So battery is very big and it can take 8-9 hours to charge up a battery. It's extremely long time, so I think I should have something quicker to come today. So I'm excited, of course. Yeah, what this is, it's not so good to say, but I think it's something if this charger is some kind of sikring, we call it like this. I think if it's a poof, be black, you take out, put this new, I think it's something like that. There. And we use this 3-pin. I ordered it in so many different. Here it's electric for Europe. This I write electric for Europe, and it come electric for Europe, European. Put it there. The charger, it's heavy, good sign. Yes, it looks good. Wow, it's in aluminium. See here. This looks nice. It's heavy. Model GT240WJ, the right pin too. It's many things to think about. This is the right I used from before, and it comes with some kind of manual too. Owner's manual, lithium battery charger. Yes, please read this manual carefully before use. That can be smart to do, and I will do it. Features: advanced high frequency switching mode, power supply technology, DC output isolated from AC input, single input 110 way AC and 230 way AC, or universal input, blah 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 blah. Charging parameters are sensitive to the AC input line voltage variations, completely automatic battery charging, 2 LED 1, red power on, red green charging full. Very good. There's light LED 1, LED 2, I don't know what it's for. Fuse. Fuse. It was like here. And LED 1, LED 2. Yes. So now I have to test it. That's the next thing, is to charge my e-bike. Nice. But it looks very good, and it's extremely heavy. And that's good sign too. Looks very nice. Good quality. Aluminum, heavy. So this is a good piece of e-bike charger. So now we will test it. Here is my bike. I have been outside today and bike 30 here. And the charger, it's here. You can see it's two red light on the charger. One light is red, that means that power on. The other one is red because of charging, and when it's finished the second red light will be green. Is finished under half of the time. It's the first time I use it. It's here. One red lamp, it's that this is on. Green now, it's finished. It was two red. One red lamp was for that this is on. One red was is for charging. One red bit of green like now, finished. So under half of the time. Fantastic. It's so cool. Very, very good. This is good quality. It's heavy. It's aluminium. And you can feel that this is a fantastic thing. So it's good. I don't use 8-9 hours now. I use 4. Much better. Cool thing. So my big battery here, it's ready for biking tomorrow, new tour. And this new charger was fantastic. It was like I hope, and fantastic piece. Yes, good.